Hello guys, it's Chow Messenger. Today I have a Pokemon Mythical box to open. This one's the Celebi one. So yeah, it's like 4 in the morning right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's fine. Well, I have an idea what I'm doing because it's really not that late for me, but you know. Still that late night kind of vibe. This is taking longer than it needs to open. Alright then, I'll go ahead and open this stuff up. There's that. There's the pin. And then here's the card itself. Celebi promo. Anyways, get 2 packs with this. So there's those. I got this I think yesterday. I just haven't opened it yet. Alright. Got a Revitalizer. I have no idea how to say that. So we're just gonna go with it. Metapod, Gulpin, Shelter, Metal Energy, Slowpoke, Magmar, Reverse Shelter, this special card thing, Frostless, and a Jinx. Alright. That's that. Next pack. We got Olympia, Revitalizer, again I don't know how to say that, Floral Crown, Meowth, Rhyhorn, Ponyta, Magikarp, Reverse Double Colorless Energy, this Dedenne foil, I don't know what to call it, and a Hollow Butterfree. So that's that. I don't even know what the ratios are, but yeah, you know, cool regardless. Just like to get some of these older cards, you know, pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go marathon some anime now because, you know, it's just stuff I do at night. Anyway, that's it for this video, so comment, thumbs, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.